Today's project is for a fun little fall craft called a stump pumpkin. We can use some logs or tree stumps and carve them into a pumpkinish kind of a look. You'll need a chainsaw that you're comfortable using. I'm using a little 10-inch Ryobi chainsaw. It runs off the 18-volt batteries that I use for all my tools. The great thing about this project is that you can make it as rustic or as detailed as you like. So you can just do whatever you want and whatever you feel comfortable with. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to mount the stump to this plywood so I can clamp it to my table. I don't want it sliding around while I'm trying to work with it. To start out, I'm going to make the ribs along the sides of the pumpkin. I am not an expert at the chainsaw, so mine will be very rough. I'll paint all the ribs with a darker orange called paprika, and then when that dries, I'll paint the rest of the pumpkin orange.